Okay. Good day, everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of any trade with your broker before you put in your trade. So with that, I think we proceed with our analysis. Okay, the key data that's going to be out tonight is there isn't any important data. So as a result, I think market is expected to be within a range, and also unless if there is a break of certain levels. Okay. Then as of trades, in fact, we took a couple of trades, but didn't move as expected. In fact, gold we made money, and we just did 2 or 3 scalping trades. We closed at 5-10 pips, and we didn't. The move didn't expect as we expected. Okay, let's start off going and doing the analysis. Okay, as of now, the dollar yen looks like it's moving higher. So it is expected to move higher, and we believe that the market may turn before 155, 65 or 85. Okay, anyway, let's do the analysis. Then we see. Then followed by gold also showing a lot of strength. So that is gold. Okay, now let's do our analysis. Here, if we look into the dollar yen, okay, the dollar yen, let me hide this. Okay, now if we look into dollar yen, right now, if you see the daily, okay, the daily, we need to see the trend control. Okay, the trend control is daily with a downside bias. Okay, let me highlight this. And weekly is flat. Okay, weekly is flat. So this downside bias on the daily is between 153.85 and 156.75. So that means we should be looking the market to be turning before 156.75. And on the 360, okay, this is showing an upside. In fact, this is trading above the previous 360 high, which is 155.15. So we expect this to be limited upside. So that means this is going to be an extension of your 360, and we expect the market to turn down eventually. So that level, we need to find out which is the level which we are planning to go for a short and turn down. Okay. Then when we look into the the PT zones, so since we are expecting a turn down, so we should expect the market to turn before RR2 on the 360, and daily maybe SR2 or SR1. So that is a level we need to know. Then we can get the exact figure of the market turning down. Okay. So let's go into the dashboard. Excuse me. So if you see now, the market is trading at 155.35. Like as I said, we are expecting the market to turn down. We expect the market to turn either at 55 or 565, yeah, any one of these levels. So max, I think we should see 5605. Before that, we should be seeing a reversal. So what we will do is, since we are expecting a turn, we see where is the level we are expecting, then we can go for a sell on that level. Then also we also need to have our so-called the trade identifier. That means what is the trade, what is the market is doing, or what is expected to do today. Then after that, then we will lay our trade plan. That means what is our plan and how do we want to go for the trade. So the trade identifier, what it says is, okay, market, see, in fact today's low is 153.85. This is same as previous day low. So we are expecting the price to move higher, and the price is expected to turn before 156.75. So the trade identifier is, market is expected to show strength, and the strength should turn or should last before or until 155.80 and 156.05. Okay, so these are the key levels. So now what we do is, let's go into the chart, then we see what would be the most likely level of market turning. So as you notice, if you notice now, looks like the market is showing strength, is expected to go higher, and what we can do is, we can do two trades. That means one is cautious buy with the market exiting at a lower level. This is going to be a cautious buy, and on the other hand, we can go for a sell and hold. Okay, sell and hold would be the level whereby, much higher than, we try to hold the sell. So if you look into this, okay, let's see what is our target. Okay, looks like 155.80. Okay, 80 is going to be, and we have plenty of time left for this. That means we have another 3 hours left on this trade. So there is a chance that we can be seeing that level. Then alternatively, if 155.00 breaks, then that would indicate us that this market has made a turn or reversal early. So what we can do is, we can go for a quick buy if you want. Okay, if you want, then if you feel you don't want to be in this trade, then you go for sell and hold. So what we will do is, we will try to buy at hold on now. One 155.15, and we exit at 155.50. So this is going to be a momentum trade. Then the stop, okay, looks like the market is turning down. Okay, let me see, 2 hours 20:10, I think we have, yeah, okay, doesn't matter. So we will buy at 155.15, and we'll put a very tight stop, 154.95, and TP at 155.50. Okay, and this is only 1 hour Okay, 1 hour chart. So this is only valid for 1 hour. We put in this trade. Then on the other hand, I think we have a sell order at 155.65. Okay, that one I'm not sure whether we want to raise it to 80. Okay, just give me a minute. Let me double check on that. Think let it be. It's okay. I think let it be. So that one I think we have given until 22. So that one I think we need to raise it to the time, increase the time to 23:30. So we'll give another 1.5 hours for that trade. Then one more trade is if 155 breaks, then we should be looking to go for a sell on this trade. Okay, that means stop sell. So that would be in the event, let's say we want to take this trade. So if the market turns earlier than expected, then most likely I think we may want to go for that trade as well. So what we will do is we will give a stop sell at 154.95 and stop at 155.25, and the TP for that is 154.35. Okay, let me double check all this. Okay, the profit should be at 40. So 40. So we have another trade we are trying to give. Okay, so this is a stop sell. Okay, stop sell 154.95, 155.25 and 154.40. Okay, so this is also we can give time until 23:30 or higher. Okay, so we have the trade plan. Okay, for dollar yen is we have one limit sell higher, which we feel that this is going higher. So on that, when if let's say we get 155.65, probably you can go the volume wise, slightly bigger volume. That means if let's say your usual trading lot is like 100,000, then this one you can go at 150. So that would be another way of getting a much better move. Okay, so that would be another one. Okay, then the stop sell is just a quick one. Yeah, it's a quick one. Okay, now the next thing, let's go into gold. Okay, gold looks a bit strong and is expected to test 2604 and 2610. Okay, this is a very strong support. Okay, let me share with you the screen. Okay, we have all the three buying forces in the buying zone, so that indicates that this market has got plenty of strength, and we expect the price to move higher towards 2604 or 2610. So we should be looking to buy this, and if we are planning to sell, then we have to sell a much higher price. Okay, and what would be our selling price? Okay, we can do two trades. One is the trend following, that means your immediate current trend movement. Then one is a counter trend. That means we try to sell a much higher level. So on that note, if we are planning to sell, then we should be selling at a weekly SR12 and previous week SL1. These are the selling levels. So let's get that figure. So if we are planning to sell, okay, probably we can sell somewhere 2620, okay, 2620 or 15 or higher. Okay, then look at previous week. I think 20, yeah, but 2021 is our selling level. Okay, so I think we got an answer. So what we should be doing is we should be looking to two ways which we can trade. Okay, right now the stop I think we can put at 2589. Okay, 2589. Okay, let's go and look into the chart. Okay, this is where we want to go for a okay, we should be exiting at 12. Okay, we have all the informations we have. So we have one trade. Two five nine three, 2589 and 2604 for half. Okay, and this one is until 23:30, so another 2.5 hours. So we'll try to buy at 93, stop at 89 and 2604 half. So that would be your trade that we are following the trend. Then the next one, the counter trend would be limit sell 2620 for half, and that one we should exit before 13. That means yeah, about 13 or 14. So that's only about $7 move. But if 13, if I give, chances are the order will reject. So I'm putting it as 2603, but the TP I think I want you to put at 2613, $10 higher. And this one, the expiry will put until 1 a.m. So this is a counter trend trade. So this is a counter trend trade which we are looking at selling, and this one I want you to put at 2613, 2613, not 03. But the reason why I'm putting 03 is because if I put 13, then the system will automatically cancel the order because of the limit orders. So you just have to put in this order. Okay, so this is for gold. Okay, gold, we have one buy and one sell. Then also we have another buying order at 2576. So that one expiry 2200 hours. So the one we need to raise it to 1 a.m. The one also extend the time, because in the event, let's say we get stopped out, then we may want to re-enter at that level. So this is your revision of the time of the buying order. Okay, so we have this. Okay, let me see what other orders can we do adjustment. Dollar yen selling, euro buying at 23.30, dollar yen buying. Okay, dollar sing selling, Okay, I think the rest all are good to go. Only the dollar Swiss we put to sell until tomorrow morning. Okay, so okay, this is for next. Let's see whether we have any other opportunities that is coming by. Okay, the euro dollar is showing some strength here. Okay, euro dollar is showing some strength. Early on we bought, but it didn't move as expected, so I think we had to close the trade. So I'm not sure whether this strength is going to last long. But let's see on the okay, euro crosses also is showing some strength. So I think this would be a genuine strength. So euro dollar, I think we got to re-enter again. We'll try to buy at 35 and exit at 75 or 80. So this euro dollar, we are putting back the order. Okay, we closed it with the 105.35 and 105.75, and this one until another 2 hours, 23:30. Okay, so let's see the euro crosses. So since the euro dollar is up, dollar yen is up, so euro yen is expected to move higher. I think we can look for the target of 64.20 or 64.40. So let's see, euro yen. Okay, I think we are getting okay, put at buying at 63.50. Okay, buying at 63. $60. Okay, 163.60 and 64.05. Okay, stop at 30 and 64, 105 or 10. Okay, this is until 23:30. Okay, so I think we have more than enough orders for us to manage this. Okay, we try to buy. Okay, this order, I think most likely this order might get filled. The dollar yen buying and selling, either one, maybe the gold or the euro yen. So I think this is more than enough for us to manage it. So just wait, and in fact, like as I said today, there is no data out. Okay, there is no data out, and market is expected to be quiet unless we are doing US stocks. That will be a different scenario. So then you have to wait until tomorrow. When the move happens, then we will try to catch the move. Okay. Okay. Thank you. And any questions or any market you guys want to discuss, I can discuss. If not, then we will end this session. Then we'll see you again tomorrow. So tomorrow we have three sessions. We have one Asian, which is 12:30, uh, um, uh, 12:30 p.m. in the afternoon Singapore time. Then we have about 5 p.m. Europe session and 2100 at US session. Okay. So with that, I think I just conclude the session and look to see you again